Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Madhushri and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So as you have read by the title, आज का जो हमारा वीडियो होने वाला है that is gonna be an Amazon book haul. Yes, मैंने इतने सारे मीशो के book hauls वीडियोस मैंने लिया है. I'm like for a change, why not try out Amazon for a change. मैंने मतलब I have bought educational books from Amazon पहले but not story books, so this is my first time ordering story books मतलब fictions, novels from Amazon. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video and इस सारे books के links मेरे description box में mention होगा, so do check it out in the end of the video. And एक और चीज़ मुझे बताना है, the books which I'm going to be talking about today are all book sets and I have literally heard so much about it. उसमें से एक book है like a book set which I have already read it, but मुझे इसका original copy मुझे चाहिए था. I really wanted it and I don't think any of these books are pirated because I have checked like official stores में मैंने देखा है. These are the same books, this is the same quality, सब कुछ same like you know receive होता है, मतलब ऐसे ही दिखता है. I'm so sorry if I'm fumbling my words, except these two books जो आपको पता चलेगा. I am quite not, I mean I'm not sure are they really original or pirated because इन दोनों books के अलावा बाकी तीनों I can guarantee that yes they are not at all pirated books. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. First that I have is this, the Folk Air series. Oh my god, I have literally heard so much about this book. Like ये book के बारे में मैंने मतलब it was all over my Instagram page and then I was like कि नहीं, I have to read it. I have no clue about how the book is. मतलब what is this book about, like क्या है, what does it gratify, मतलब क्या बोलना चाहता है and everything. I don't know whether it's animated, I don't know whether it's thriller or what exactly it is. मुझे उतना अच्छे से इस book के बारे में idea नहीं है, so I don't know, but the thing I can confirm is the print and everything is really good because it's an OG book. It's really good. And the first one is Cruel Prince, the Wicked King and then the Queen of Nothing. So if anybody has read this book, please could you just tell me how the book is, what it is all about. मैं थोड़ा पढ़ना शुरू किया है. There is also a king of, I don't know how to like pronounce. There is also a book in the trilogy. एक book add हुआ है. It is the king of Elfheim. I don't know what that word means, but okay. So yeah, I think it's a sweet romantic thriller kind of a book. I hope, because I don't know, but it's romantic. इतना मैं confirm करके बोल सकती हूँ. And I have like gotten all positive reviews about these books. So I'm definitely going to give this book a try. And as I said, अगर ये book किसी ने पढ़ा है, do let me know what were your views on this book. So yeah, this was the Folk Air series by Holly Black. The next book series that I'm talking about is these two, Hooked and Scarred. Oh my god, these books are like so good. Everybody deserves a boyfriend like James. And those of you who are someone जिनको like heroes नहीं villains पसंद है, this is the perfect book for you. And yes, viewers description is advised because कुछ scenes होता है that can trigger you, so वो एक बार देख लेना because trigger warning दिया हुआ है in this book. And this is like so much intense, like not that intense like Haunting Adeline or The Mind, that series वाला book जिसके बारे में मैंने review किया था. This is something completely different and this will literally make you cry, laugh, like blow your mind, like what the hell just happened. Like कुछ scenes ऐसा है like you'll literally be questioning your life, like what happened. But कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें that will really make you cry. Like I mark my words, I literally cried when I read Hooked and Scarred both. कुछ pages ऐसा था, कुछ details ऐसा था which really made me cry and question my life at some point. But I really love the book. Amazing. This book was written by Emily McIntyre. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly because I have a habit of mispronouncing names. I'm so sorry if I'm गलत तरीके से अगर मैं प्रोनाउंस कर रही हूँ. इट्स नॉट इंटेंशनल एंड यू गाइज नीड टू रीड दिस बुक. डार्क रोमांस अगर चाहिए, इफ यू रियली वांट थ्रिलर, यू वांट स्लैशर, यू वांट स्मार्ट, you want intense, you need cravings, desire, arousal, these books are completely a page turner book. I mean, you need to read these books. बहुत amazing book है, amazing storyline. इसका concept, this book, इसका जो concept है, which is completely different. Like I have not come across a concept like this ever in my life. देखो, when you have read Haunting Adeline, you have read the Shatter Me series, that was something pure, it was magical. But this Touch Her and You Die kind of a book just steals my heart, and I always prefer to read those books that are ऐसे जहाँ पे like लड़की के लिए, like for your girl you can do whatever it takes, खुद का कुर्बानी देना हो तो भी कर लूँगा मैं. But oh my god, I really love these books. Like these reality में do men like that exist? I hope they do, because yeah, I really love these books. बहुत अच्छा है. Like it has a meaning. बहुत life lessons भी आपको इस particular book में मिलेगा. I know it's a novel, but फिर भी हर एक book I believe कुछ ना कुछ सीख हमें देती है, which really helps us to move forward in life. I learned a lot of things from Haunting Adeline, from Mind series, and also from Twisted series as well. The friendship, the love, the energy, the loyalty, honesty, truth, बहुत सारी चीज़ आपको सीखने को मिलता है once you read the book. और आई होप इसका भी एक मूवी निकले. लाइक आई एम रियली डाइंग फॉर वेरिटी टू बी रिलीज. जिन लोगों ने भी वेरिटी का बुक पढ़ा है फ्रॉम कॉलिन हूवर, बाय कॉलिन हूवर, यू मस्ट बी वेरी एक्साइटेड. और आई होप आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड विद द कास्टिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट एंड्स विद अस, बट आई रियली होप कि इसका भी एक मूवी निकले. आई एम रियली ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर हुक्ड एंड स्कार्ड का. आई डोंट थिंक निकलेगा, बट आई स्टिल होप, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, कि एक मूवी या सीरीज निकले, बिकॉज दिस बुक इज रियली समथिंग दैट एवरीबडी मस्ट रीड. बट हाँ, अगेन जिनको ये सब चीज़ें कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं लगता है, प्लीज़ अवॉइड इट. ओनली डार्क रोमांस, थोड़े से जिनको गोर, वायलेंस, ब्लड अच्छा लगता है, go for it. Otherwise do not, because दोनों books में trigger warning दिया हुआ है. The last book series that I have with me is The Curse of True Love, A Ballad of Never After and Once Upon a Broken Heart by Stephanie, what's her name, Garber. Like I really loved the packaging of the book. I love the print of the book. It's so Christmas coded, but no, it's a very emotional, heart touching book. मतलब it's just the opposite of Hooked and Scarred. It's just the opposite. Like it's a bit जिनको fantasy अच्छा लगता है, you can literally go for this. And yes, I forgot to say, Hooked और Scarred के ऊपर मुझे थोड़ा सा doubt है. I don't know whether it's pirated or not, because the gloss is giving me थोड़ा सा doubts, because original book इतनी glossy नहीं होती है as far as I know. So yeah, okay, coming back to these three books, oh my god, these are so good. I started reading it and then I stopped. I was like कि नहीं, I need time, because मुझे एक ही गो में पूरा बुक खत्म करना अच्छा लगता है. Like I just like that, like one night read मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I just love reading, but then I was caught up with so many things. I said कि नहीं, it can wait, because I need time, because कुछ parts है जो process करना ज़रूरी है. And this is also one of the most read books by people. Like they have loved it. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे रिव्यूज़ मुझे इसके बारे में रिसीव हुआ है. दिस इज़ जस्ट सो ड्रीमी, सो कम्फर्टिंग. बहुत ही प्यारा बुक है. डू गिव इट अ ट्राई. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ बजट फ्रेंडली ऑप्शन, ये मीशो में भी अवेलेबल है, बट आई परचेज्ड इट फ्रॉम अमेजॉन. यू कैन चेक आउट द links, but trust me, बहुत ज़्यादा you will like it. Once you read it, you won't feel that you're living in the present. मतलब बहुत ही it's just like Alice in Wonderland. I mean Alice in Borderline. Have you seen those Netflix का series Alice in Borderline? It's something like that. Not that violent or something like that. बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं है. It's in fact the dreamy version. It's like a completely different universe when you read it. एक अलग शहर, उनका खुद का अपना एक टाउन, रूल्स, नॉर्म्स, लाइफ, बिलीव्स, सब कुछ. इट्स जस्ट सो गुड. इट्स जस्ट वेरी गर्ल कोडेड बुक. बहुत ही इमोशनल बुक है. एंड या, डू गिव इट अ ट्राई. यू विल रियली क्राई वंस यू रीड दिस, बट विथ लव. यहाँ पे आपको दर्द के आंसू बहाने पड़ेंगे वंस यू रीड हुक्ड एंड स्कार्ड, बट दिस इज हैप्पी टीयर्स. लाइक थोड़ा हाँ, बीच बीच में स्पेशली द बैलेड ऑफ नेवर आफ्टर, एक स्निपेट मैंने देखा था, वहाँ पे देयर वाज अ पार्ट विच वाज रियली वेरी सैड, बट अदरवाइज इट्स हैप्पी इमोशनल बुक्स. सो डू गिव इट अ ट्राई, एंड द लिंक विल बी इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. तो आज का वीडियो बस इतना ही था. आई होप यू guys enjoyed this video. If you have, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and let me know what were your views on these particular books, because मुझे तो बहुत बड़ा मज़ा आने वाला है ये बुक्स पढ़ के, because I have already read Scarred and Hooked and I'm really waiting for the Curse of True Love series and the Cruel Prince का series, because I really love these books. बहुत ही amazing है. I love जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ड्रामा है, थोड़ा सा पैशन है, लव है, स्मार्ट है, डार्क रोमांस है. आई जस्ट लव बुक्स लाइक दैट. मुझे वो जो चीज़ी बुक्स अच्छे नहीं लगते. आई लव दीज बुक्स, सो आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना गिव दिस बुक्स अ ट्राई. एंड आज का वीडियो बस इतना ही था. आई होप यू all enjoy this video as well. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe.